Assalamu alaikum. Today we are at a place called a strawberry farm in Taif, Saudi Arabia. It's massive and it's quite popular, and we thought we'll check it out while we are here. Once you enter, you have to queue to buy tickets, or there's a kiosk that you can buy the tickets from. You just enter the number of people, and it's 35 riyals per person, including children over the age of 2. We then move into the strawberry park, and as soon as you enter, there's fountains and birds and ducks and everything all around, nicely decorated. We saw turkeys, and we also saw some birds that were closely watching this fish pond where there were lots of fish. So as you can see over here, there's so many fishes, and that bird, keeping an eye on them. We found these species of ducks, and you could feed the ducks lettuce, as a lot of the kids were doing, and you can see that the ducks were pretty hungry, running away with some lettuce or swimming away. Strawberries were not in season, but when they are, you can go into the farms and pick them apparently. So they do grow them over here. So the strawberry farm has lots of subsections, sub areas where they have different things. So the first one we went to was the aqua farm, which is upstairs. You have to take the elevator to get there, and once you get there, it's pretty dark with only lighting from the aquariums that are there with various kinds of fish. We saw all kinds of fishes in this aquarium, and then we came across this one. Looks like a catfish or something, and there were so many different types. It's quite nice to watch. After the aqua farm, we came down and we came outside to see a little shop which has everything strawberry, and just opposite the shop were the strawberry fields where they actually grow the strawberries. We went into this shop for a little bit to see what there is, and we're pretty surprised. There was everything of strawberry. The theme obviously was strawberry, so there are strawberry keychains, strawberry mist, strawberry bags, and strawberry umbrellas. There were a lot of strawberry things, including strawberry pouches, strawberry bags for kids, little magnets, and quite a few glass items as well. We purchased a few small things from that shop and came out to see a giant strawberry dancing around. So there's lots of shops around, little shops selling strawberry juices and a few things strawberry theme related, things to eat, and some merchandise. It's quite nicely built for people to just walk around and do some shopping. Another amazing feature of this strawberry farm was this upside down house. So as you can see, the house has been built as though it is upside down. So the roof is at the bottom and everything else is up on the ceiling. So this was very interesting, so we thought we'll go inside and have a look. As you enter, you come into this lounge and kitchen dining area where everything is on the ceiling. So you can see couches, dining table, chairs, and everything stuck to the ceiling, and the lights, the fridge, and everything on your head essentially. And we were just looking at it for a little while, and then there were different rooms connected, so we had to pass through each room. After the lounge, we entered the bedroom, which had a study desk and the bed stuck onto the ceiling with a cupboard. And then you would move on into the next room. And the bathroom. So you have the toilet and the bathtub all hanging upside down with the windows and curtains, everything perfectly upside down. We then got out of this upside down house and made our way to the next section, which is the baby zoo, and that's quite nice if you've got little kids to go in, and it's got lots of birds inside and rabbits. As you enter the baby zoo, you can see that you've entered onto the top floor. So there are 2 floors, and the first floor has got a lot of birds on the walls on either side, and there's a little shop as well which you can enter and have a look. I went inside the shop just to see what there is, and there were lots of kid related things for children, so toys and soft toys, lunch boxes, all with birds and cartoon character designs. So something for the kids maybe if you want to purchase. We saw this amazing bird with its feet, which looked like they were covered with feathers. Never seen a bird of this type. So they have a few peculiar birds, and all of them are free to be roaming around. Most of the birds didn't seem to want to fly around. They were just on the wall, sitting and having either their food or sleeping. We also saw a peacock, which you can see here. It was about to fly, but it didn't. There's lots of different types of birds and rabbits. So there's some rabbits on the ground floor as we reach the ground floor, through which where you have to exit, or you can exit. We follow the rabbit path over the little bridge. There's a little stream of water passing through, and then you come to the last part where you've got parrots and people holding parrots and taking pictures. So the kids seem to be enjoying all of this. Once we were done with that baby zoo rabbits and birds section, there was another part within the zoo for reptiles. So they've got caged reptiles. There was no labels of what these were, but they were quite quite interesting to see. And we also saw the meerkat. Simples. There are a few scary reptiles, snakes as well, and things that look like little alligators, and chameleons. It's quite scary, but they're all enclosed, so nothing really to worry about. I had no idea what that one was, but it seemed like it was resting. After seeing all of these, then we exited the little enclosure of reptiles and stepped out. Came back to the seating area, and it was almost sunset, so it was getting dark. It was time for us to leave as well. We had spent about an hour and a half, a bit more probably. It was nearly time for us to leave, and we were heading towards the exit. Highly recommend this place, especially if you're a strawberry lover and you like things that have strawberry design, and also if you like animals like birds, rabbits and parrots and reptiles, and especially the little kids. They will enjoy being around all of these fascinating things. Thanks a lot for watching, and hope whoever visits Taif has the time and is able to visit this strawberry farm next time they're in Saudi Arabia. Thanks a lot, and please subscribe and share. Thanks. Bye.